mail notification is great for those times when you are not at your computer. You might be out traveling, maybe you are simply doing other things where you are not logging into the 3DEXPERIENCE platform every day. Of course, if you are logging into the platform, you will see your notifications in there. However, if you still want to get notified, then you could set up mail notifications. For instance, so that you can get a mail every time someone mentions you in a comment, like I showed you in an earlier video. So mail notification is quite easy to set up if you know where to look. So let's take a look at this. So here I'm in my dashboard, I'm logged into the platform, and I will click the notification bell icon. Here is a list of all my notifications. And I will go to the Preferences button and choose Preferences in the list. And here you can see an overview of all the apps that you can set notifications for. And the app that we want to set in this case is the 3D Space app. So let's stop a little bit here. The reason why you need to apply the setting to the 3D Space app is that typically your CAD content, which is typically physical products or drawings, is stored within a collaborative space. So this setting will only cover that kind of content. If you want to get notified by comments made on files stored in 3D Drive, for instance, you will need to go to the 3D Drive app to set the notification options there. Okay, so in here we will activate the mail setting, and while we are here, let's take a look at the other places where you can receive notifications. We have the notification center, we have the regular alerts, which is the pop-ups in the dashboard, and then you have the mail notification, and then you have the browser setting, and this will alert you if you're in your browser, even if you're not in the dashboard in that browser. So let's activate mail, and let's take a look at how that looks when you receive a mail. So mail notifications look like this in your inbox. This is a comment that was made by my colleague, where my name was tagged. So I received that as a mail. And if I click on the link in the mail, I will be sent to that content in my dashboard. And here you can see all the comments that is made for this item. And I can open the part from here if I want to. So now you know how to do this, and with this setting enabled, it might be a little bit easier to stay informed on things that are happening on the platform. See you next time.